All right, we're starting with the outside on a windy day. Let's go on in. And we're opening the doors. I get hit with it. We're taking a look around. Let's show you all the space you have. Okay, let's do a full tour. Show you every nook and cranny. Okay. Bathroom. Let's get the other side. All right. We're going to leave the bathroom. We'll show you the front room, which you could really do anything you want with. And we'll go in the back. No dogs here today, thankfully. We get a nice quiet tour. Hey, there's your realtor. All right. Okay. And that is the tour, my friends.